Hey everyone, this is Grady at SUBOVERLAND, and in this video we'll be discussing the newest member to the fleet, this 89 Squarebody Suburban. Let's get right into it. This is a 1989 Chevy Suburban, the Silverado package. It's a half-ton, and it is in really good shape. I know I just did a video of another Squarebody we bought that was really rust-free. This one is pretty much identical. It's its twin. Very rust-free as far as, you know, like rot or anything like that. It has surface rust from where clear coat and the paint is actually missing, but man, the normal spots, it is looking great. Like right here is a really common one. Back here, a little bit of surface rust. I mean, it's in great shape. Unfortunately, clear coat, as you can see, is just coming off in a lot of places. You get some pretty good rust there, rust on the roof, but this thing is in great shape. And again, it's a half-ton, so it's got the 700 R4, so it's got the overdrive and everything. Throttle body, 350, good drivetrain, runs great. I bought it here locally, which is always fun, and it had been in the family for, I think, quite a long time, 20 plus years. Let's get on the interior here. Just normal interior. I cleaned it up a little bit, but guys, this thing's it's just in really good shape. I keep on saying that, but look at these seats. And then the back seats, you can see there, third row intact, headliners all there. I mean, it's great. It's got 13,000 miles on the odometer, which means it's been rolled over. So I'm guessing 113. I don't think 213 at this point. Original stereo, you know, all of that. Four-wheel drive, obviously. Custom center console, which I think we'll be getting rid of as soon as possible. Sorry if you're a fan of those. I am not. And yeah, it's just been a really fun thing to start driving around. It has original mats. You can see there. Carpet is in really good shape. Oh, I need to unlock this. Carpet, just like look underneath there. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it is just great. Look at this. I mean, so carpet's in great shape. Usually these square bodies are a lot more ratty, and this is looking great. The other one I just bought, the California one, the interior isn't as in good shape as this. So kind of jealous, and I do not know what to do with this yet, but that's what we are going to discuss here. So for those of you who have watched the channel for a long time, I mean, there's been a lot of different iterations of Suburbans and things have changed. You know, we all, you know, stick with, you know, keeping things simple, and I don't know, the business has changed over the years for sure, but the simplicity of it and the pricing and keeping things really affordable for our clients has never. We've kept it, you know, a good price, and you know, for most people can afford the vehicles that we build out. And with this Squarebody, the Squarebodies have been no different. We've done builds on these. We've, you know, gutted the interiors. We've done the wood. We've done all of that. But I'm kind of thinking about potentially doing something else, and I want your guys' help on this. So I've seen there's some really cool companies out there that are doing like crazy, awesome restorations of vehicles. There's a company out there that does like Scouts. I forgot the name now, but they are just so cool, like super killer, and they cost like $250,000 starting and over 300K. I mean, so I don't want to delve into that type of business personally. That seems like it's above my pay grade to sell a vehicle for that much. But I have this guy that's working with me now, and he's worked on more square bodies than I have, and we're kind of putting our heads together, and we're thinking about offering kind of like a somewhat restored square body and making it into potentially a business. And I'm not sure how far we want to go, or how much interest there is, but it could be as simple as, like, for example, this one, great running 350 transmission, like everything is good on this, so we would just fix it up like we do our other SUBOVERLANDs. So suspension, tires, fluids, tune up, fix stuff like right here. You can see how like the I can't get it, on these square bodies, these always do that. So fixing up basic stuff like that, cleaning up the interior carpet, getting rid of like this console, getting like maybe an original one. So that was like a basic restoration, just getting it up to speed, maybe keeping this paint as is and sanding it down and just doing like a clear coat. Anyway, that's like one iteration of it. The next step up, we were thinking of potentially, so we get, for example, this vehicle, we get it, we send it to paint, so they completely paint it and get that all nice, do all the body work, paint, and then we would do a LS swap. So we would put in a 5.3 probably with fuel injected, do a different transmission, whatever we choose there, upgrade axles, redo the whole front end on every one of them, redo the full brakes on every one of them regardless of the condition. Interior wise, carpet kit, headliner, redo all the windows, new regulators, all of that, new weather stripping, just everything would be, not everything, but I mean it would be a lot of that. Dash, this dash is cracked, so we would replace the dash, just all of that stuff, and that would be like the next level. So that newer drivetrain, new paint, you obviously have all the suspension, all the tires, and all of that, and we would be offering that in a square body version. So, and I don't know the price range on those. I would imagine it would be like 50 to 100 grand. I don't know, depending on like how far we go. But let me know in the comments if you guys are like interested, or you think that would be a good business. Pretty much resurrecting or restoring these old square bodies. And we would do them with trucks, Blazers, and Suburbans, essentially. So those three main drivetrains. So let me know if you think it's a good idea or not, or if you guys would be interested. And if you want to be the guinea pig for something like that and you want this one, maybe we can offer this one to you guys. So if you're interested in this square body, or potentially even the other one that I had in that last video, let us know and we can talk, and maybe I can get up an estimate, kind of what we're thinking, and let you guys decide. But thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. We'd love to have you here on the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.